Okay, we are doing our warm-up number 2 today. And with your warm-up, you need to make sure that you are ready to move on to the next lesson. So we are solving the equations. This is not the one I wanted. Solving these using cross multiplication. So when you cross multiply, we have done this before. We're going to cross multiply 5 times x. So this is what it's talking about when it wants you to write the equation. So 5 times x then equals 2.5 times 15. Okay? Then remember, we're being organized, so we want to make sure that when we solve these, we do it in an organized fashion. 5x comes back down, but 2.5 times 15 comes into something else. 2.5 times 15 equals, can't read my own answer, 37.5. So notice that I am writing, if you're needing to do this math right here off to the side, do it off to the side. Put the answer below. Okay, and then we're going to do what we've done before, solve this equation by dividing both sides by 5. So I'm over here using this calculator. I'm going to say 37.5 divided by 5 equals 7.5. So you'll type your answer as x space equals space 7.5, which you'll notice there are spaces after the x and after the equal. So you guys need to know that the computer is going to consider it wrong if you do not do it that way. Okay, going on to the second problem. As soon as my computer decides to catch up. Okay, second problem, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to cross multiply. I'm not going to use colors this time. X times 20, 20 times x equals 4 times 35. That brings down 20x. 35 times 4, making sure I'm right, is 140. Notice that I did my work off to the side. Did not do it like down here. It's not going to work. So we've got to divide both sides by the 20. X equals 7. So your answer is x space equals space 7. And then it should work. Computer will catch up. I hope. There it goes. Whoa. Wait to the pin. Okay. Now we're doing the third problem. Guess what? Doing the same thing. We're double checking that you remember what you did 2 days ago or 1 day ago. We're going to cross multiply. I choose the x first because I like my x to be on that side. So 13.5 times x equals 3 times 36. So this side is 13.5. X equals, go off to the side to do my 3 times 36. I get 98. Then I'm dividing both sides by 13.5. X equals, and I might use a calculator for that one. Maybe, if it lets me. Computer doesn't like to catch up to me. Okay, so clear. Make sure I'm clear. 98 divided by 13.5 equals a gross number. Oh, did Miss Beacon not do something? 3 times 36? It's 108. Oh, Miss Beacon. What did I do? I did my math incorrectly. I'm so glad students are not here to check. But 36 times 3 is 8. I carried that one and then did not add it back on. Huh. It was 108. And 108 divided by 13.5, thank goodness I have my cheat sheet, was 8. So typing x space, equals, space, 8. Okay. Now we'll continue. I'm going to erase. Computer's slower than I am. Okay. We've got a couple more. Let's do 4. And I might just leave this mini exposed. There we go. So I'm crisscrossing. I do the x first. So 25 times x equals 2 times 18. So that gives me 25x equals 18 times 2. Let's hope I don't mess it up. Carried that 1. I remember this time is 36. So divide both sides by 25. X equals 36 divided by 25, which means x equals, use a calculator. I wish the calculator would just stay up. Wouldn't that be nice? There it is. Clear. 36 divided by 25 equals 1.44. So we're typing x space equals space 1.44. I'll go ahead and do the next color. 24 times x equals 6 times 8. 24x equals 48. Divide both sides by 24. X equals 2. Guess what we're typing? X, you know it, space, equals, space, 2. Bye-bye. Got it. Cross your fingers. Okay. Did you see that computer just freaked out? It's because we're too smart, peoples. Okay, we're going to crisscross multiply again. 6 times x equals 1.5 times the 16. 6x equals, oh boy, I wish 1.5 times 16, 0, 3, 8. Bring down the 0, 6, 1. I need to remember my decimal point, 24.0. That's what I got, 24. So divide both sides by the 6, which we've got mastered by now. So x equals 4. We're going to do x space equals space 6. Then we're done. Oh, wrong button. How do I say I'm done?